Hello and welcome. This is a Lenovo Laptop E530c, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble this ThinkPad. First of all, you need to get a screwdriver and a tweezer which we'll be using to open the laptop. Just follow the step by step in the video. It's very easy and simple to disassemble, as I will be updating you on the steps. First, remove the battery and unscrew all the screws at the back of the laptop. After removing the back cover, there are some screws inside which are still holding the laptop case itself. So you need to remove them. After that, remove the hard drive, heatsink which is holding the processor, wireless card, RAM, and any device which is removable, as I'm removing all these devices. Let's do it. If you have removed all the screws at the back, it will be easy to remove the CD-ROM which is at the side of the laptop. Inside there is a push button which you can just push. You can use your screwdriver or any straight tool to push the CD-ROM to come out. And at the side of the CD-ROM there are some hidden screws which are there, so you need to unscrew them. Now when done, just turn the machine back and open it and remove the keyboard. And behind the keyboard there are some screws which are inside, so you need to remove all that in order to lift up the case. So just watch it. Now that we are done removing the keyboard, just turn the machine back and remove the hidden screws I was talking about, which are hidden under the CD-ROM drive. After you remove the screwdrivers, now use a tweezer and then open the case. You are done. Just lift up the top case, but be sure to remove every cable at the top which are removable. So remove all of them and then lift up the case. So watch the next. Now we remove the board from the case itself. If you are enjoying the video and like what I'm doing on this channel, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll do my possible best to give you the possible answers. Thanks for watching. So now we remove the motherboard from the case itself. Watch till the end.